Hi, today I'm making spicy citrus oil, and we're going to start with a 1/4 cup of sliced lemon peel and orange peel, 1 tablespoon of black peppercorns. I also use 1 clove of garlic, so it's a large clove, so I've cut it in half, and you want to slightly smash it. 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, and then a cup of lighter grade olive oil, so it's not as heavy. And then I have my funnel and my stopper that I'm going to use because I'm going to refrigerate this oil. So you add this oil to the stock pot, and then you're going to add the orange peels and lemon peels. Then you will add all of the different peppers and the garlic. Now you can add a teaspoon of salt to this recipe, but because I'm trying to reduce my salt intake and find other ways to flavor my food, I haven't added any salt to it, but typically you could add about a teaspoon of salt if you like. You're going to let that boil for about 30 minutes. And once it cools, you're going to basically strain those ingredients into a funnel. And as you can see, it turns like a nice yellow color, and you're going to drain everything into the funnel, and then it will give you your spicy citrus oil. And I've added a few yellow and orange peels to the jar just for decoration.